Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu at home eggless. We'll start by preparing the coffee-soaked ladyfingers, which form the essential base of our dessert. This method ensures a wonderfully moist and flavorful sponge without using any eggs. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve that classic tiramisu texture and taste with just a few simple steps. Let's get baking. Next, we'll focus on creating the rich, creamy filling that makes tiramisu so irresistible. Instead of eggs, we'll gently fold together mascarpone cheese with freshly whipped cream until it's light and fluffy. A hint of vanilla extract elevates the flavor profile, giving you that authentic, luxurious taste. This simple substitution keeps the dessert wonderfully decadent, yet entirely egg-free. Now comes the fun part, assembling your tiramisu. Begin by arranging a single layer of your coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, spread a generous, even layer of the eggless mascarpone cream over them. Repeat these layers, alternating between ladyfingers and cream until all your ingredients are beautifully stacked. This creates the iconic look and texture of a perfect tiramisu. Finally, for the best flavor and texture, cover your assembled tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set perfectly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, eggless tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.